Hey guys, this is Cindy with SeekOptics.com, and today we're going to show you how to replace the lenses on your Oakley Turbine frames. So let's get started. The first step is to turn your frames around like this, like if you're going to put them on. Once you've done that, I like to rotate my frame at a 90-degree angle. It just makes it easier to work this way. Then we're going to locate sections here and here of your frame. And we're going to be pulling out on these sections of the frame with these two fingers as we push the lens forward with our thumbs to unseat it. So again, push out with these two sections with these two fingers here, and we're going to push forward with our thumbs. Let's give it a shot. Perfect. Now when removing the lens, you will hear a popping sound. If you do, do not be alarmed. It's completely normal. It's just the lens unseating itself from the grooves of the frame. We're going to do the same thing to this side. Rotate your frame. Locate sections here and here of the frame. We're going to be pulling out on these sections with these two fingers as we push the lens forward with our thumbs to unseat it. Perfect. So now to install your new Seek Optic lenses, go ahead and turn your frame around like this. And once you've done that, locate the inside grooves of the frames here and here. I like to start with the outer edge groove first and line up my lens to this top section here. And today I'm going to be installing my new Seek Optics Revo Ice Blue lenses. And we're going to be lining up this portion here of the lens to this section of the frame here. So we're going to line it up to those grooves. And once that's lined up, all you got to do is push down to get it to seat in. And you should hear that pop. And we're going to do the same thing to this side. Go ahead and locate the inside grooves of your frame. We're going to line up our lens. And then we're going to push down to get it to seat. Like that. And once you've done that, go ahead and take your Seek Optics microfiber pouch and give it a nice little wipe down just to remove any impurities that might have been left behind during the installation. And now you're good to go. Once you've installed your new Seek Optic lenses into your frames, we would love to see how you've customized your look to fit your everyday needs. So go ahead and post a picture to Facebook, Twitter, or Instagram with the hashtag Seek Optics. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button for more updates and content. And of course, if you do have any further questions or concerns about the installation, your frames, or the lenses, please feel free to give us a call or shoot us an email to info@seekoptics.com.